AI is helpless without human intelligence. This type of many facts are there relating to AI. We are really serious about learning AI skills. It is the essential prerequisite for you to learn about all the realities about AI. That point you have to understand. In this video, I am going to explain all these facts through real life examples as well as analogies. I may take 15 to 20 minutes time, but one fact you must understand, not just knowing. You must own. You must be in a position to explain these concepts to others. Here, one simple technique I tell you, simple tip. Actually, if you want to explain any concept through real life examples or analogies, your job will be very easy. The same thing if you have to explain pure technology, it is very difficult. You cannot satisfy others. Others may not be impressed. That's why every concept you explain through real life examples and analogies. You may not get these examples and analogies anywhere else. That is my guarantee. Next one, not only explain about AI realities, I am going to explain the roadmap relating to industry readiness with AI skills in this video. The first and the most important fact relating to AI is AI cannot replace human. AI can just amplify the efficiency of the human by way of speed, accuracy, and productivity. I explain this point through a real life example, human versus calculator. Now the first example. Understand this example and own it, you must be in a position to explain to others. A human wants to make several calculations. In order to do that, he is having 5 inherent limitations. There, he cannot make calculations fastly. Second one, he cannot deliver instant results. The third one, he cannot store large data permanently. You may forget. Fourth one, being a human, he commits errors. Fifth one, he gets tired very often. In order to overcome all these limitations, he invented a machine. Its name is calculator. It overcome all these limitations. How? It can calculate in milliseconds, thousands of times faster than the human being. And it can give instant result. It can store large data accurately and permanently. It does not commit any mistakes. Accurate results it gives, provided the accurate data, accurate instructions are given to that, and it never gets tired. In that way, calculator overcomes the limitations of the human being. Now let us compare human and calculator. Who invented calculator? Human. Who gave the task to the calculator? Human. Who incorporated rules and logic, mathematical rules and logic in calculator? Human. That is the role of human. And what calculator is doing? It is overcoming the limitations of the human being. That's it. Understand the real position. Who is greater? So by that, what we have to understand, AI cannot replace the human. No technology replaces the human. That point you have to understand. Here, in order to explain about this, where I used calculator, just use AI. Then exactly the same explanation suitable for you. And only one thing I am telling you, any technology, including AI, removes the human limitations. It improves the efficiency of the human by way of speed, accuracy, and productivity. This point is very important. You must be in a position to explain to others. This slide clearly demonstrates the comparison between a human and a machine. As far as human is concerned, his strengths. Human can think, human can decide, human can create a meaning and rules. What are the limitations? Limited speed, limited energy, limited knowledge, limited memory storage. As far as machines are concerned, what are the strengths? They can overcome all the limitations of human. What is the limitation? They don't have their own intelligence. They don't have their own creativity. They don't have any emotions and all that. With reference to this explanation, I explain the strengths of the AI. Practically, you have to understand. As far as AI is concerned, the processing speed is millions of times faster than the human being. Second one is massive computing capacity. Actually, humans can make calculations of 10 or 20 elements. AI can make calculations of millions of elements at a time and all that. As far as memory access is concerned, A can access entire data in the world subject to two conditions. First one is it should be available in detailed format. Second one is the detailed formatted data should be given permission. Unpermitted data it cannot access. The two conditions always you must remember. Thereafter, execute human task. Whatever task you can give to the A, subject to its limitations and all that, it can perform the task millions of times faster than the human and with the perfect accuracy. That point is how to understand. As you know, we take our day-to-day decisions based on the information what we have at a particular point of time. As far as AI is concerned, it can access the entire information available in the world by way of books, by way of data, by way of history, etc. and all that. Actually, here two conditions are there. AI can access entire information in the world subject to two conditions. The first one is the data, the information should be available in the detailed format. Second one, it should be permitted. In single word, AI can access permitted detailed data available in the world. So now let us quantify that. Whatever data a human being is having is just like a drop of water, and AI is having a ocean of information. Because of that reason, it can take great wise decisions than the human being. That point you have to understand in this context. This is the most important slide among all, because at a glance you can understand what AI can do and what AI cannot do. First, I explain what AI can do precisely, just because you can have an idea. The first one, processing speed. AI can process data millions of times faster than the human. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, recognize patterns. Actually, in forthcoming videos, I explain about patterns. Through patterns, AI learn things and all that. It can recognize patterns. Thereafter, automate repetitive tasks. Actually, for repetitive tasks, only so much time being humans who spend. Actually, for a simple example, I tell you. For the first time you are doing a task, it requires 1 hour time. Thereafter, you want to make simple changes in that. For every repetition, you want 1 hour or little less. But as far as AI is concerned, repetitive task, it takes 0.0001% time. So much time is saved and all that. For the first time, it takes some time. Suppose it takes 1 second, and a repetitive task, it takes microseconds. That point you have to understand. Answer factual questions. Factual questions in relating to any fact, relating to any subject. It may be history, it may be science, it may be mathematics, it may be commerce, any subject. And you ask a factual question, within seconds it can answer. Translate languages, any language to any language, English to Hindi, English to Kannada, Kannada to Hindi, Kannada to Tamil, Kannada to Telugu, any language combination you give. From one language original to other language translation, it can make within seconds and all that. Thereafter, play strategic games like chess and all that. Chess, there are number of rules and all that. It can understand all those rules and play very efficiently the games like chess. That you have to understand. Now I explain what AI cannot do. AI cannot understand human emotions. Being a human, we depend on the emotions of others we behave. Second one, it does not have any creativity. Being humans, we have creativity, but AI cannot have any creativity and all that, but it simulates human creativity. Because of that reason, many of us believe that AI is having creativity, but that is not true. Thereafter, understanding the context, actually depending on the context we behave. Just a simple example I give you. We wish different people in the society. They may be our friend, our neighbor, our lecturer, our corporator, or some other officer. Depending on the person, their stature, and their relation, we wish them. But if you give an instruction to AI, for all of them, same type of wishing only it can make. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, it cannot think independently. Actually, you have to give behavior to that, how to think and all that. Simple example I give you. You are walking on the road and you give the same instruction to AI to walk on the road. But being a human, whenever some pit is there, we take a diversion depending on the size and nature of the pit. But AI cannot do it independently because it cannot think. It has to behave like a human on that. What you have to do? You have to define what is the pit, how to how to take diversion and all that. You have to give instructions. So it cannot think on its own. Thereafter, it cannot give opinions or feelings and all that. That it totally belong to human beings. A does not have any opinions, does not have any feelings and all that. That point you have to understand. Now, I give you a few more real life examples and analogies in order to enable you to understand AI better. By that, you will be in a position to explain to others and get their impression. The first one out of that is AI is like a gold mine. Just imagine that we don't use gold for any purpose. Then, gold is nothing but a shiny metal. That's it. When it gets value, just think of it. We extract gold, we refine it, and we develop ornaments out of that. Then only value addition will come. Then, by that, what you understand? Because of human intelligence only, AI is created and AI gets value. That's the first and most important point. Now, I give you one more beautiful analogy on AI. AI is like a powerful horse. It can run many, many times faster than the human being. That is the strength. What is the weakness? It does not have any destination. It does not have any direction. It does not have any control over the speed. When it is utilized productively, actually a human writes on that. A destination is clearly defined, a direction is clearly defined, and its speed is controlled. That's why a result will happen. That point you have to understand. Through this analogy, you can understand 3 points clearly. The first one, A is very fast, but speed alone is useless. Second one, without human thinking, AI has no direction. Third one, human intelligence gives a purpose as well as control. That's the reason speed turns into results. Now I give you a wonderful example which demonstrates the power of AI. Actually, certain tasks are there which may be highly difficult or impossible for human, but AI can resolve it. The best example is global product naming. Somebody developed a product and wanted to release it throughout the world in all countries. Then one problem is there. They named it as Windia Gem. Windia Gem. The Windia Gem's meaning should not be bad in any one of the languages in the world. If it is so, they have to change the name. For example, this product is there I am using. Actually, its meaning in my language is idiot. Then how bad it is. In the same way, if they want to release the product throughout the world with the name of India Gem, first what they have to do? They have to check up its meaning in all world languages. There are hundreds of countries, thousands of languages. In all such languages, they have to find out the meaning first. But humanly, how difficult it is, almost it is impossible. Okay, in such case, you submit the case to a artificial intelligence like a ChatGPT like platform. Within seconds or minutes, you get the response. By that, you can act accordingly. Now, one more real life example I give you. By that, I can explain the power of AI and its limitations also. You want to get your biography written by way of a story or by way of a song. Actually, you submit this task to a platform, A, and you are submitting all your family details, education details, career details, your struggles, your achievements, as well as value system and all the details you have given. Then you wanted a platform to get it in the form of a story or in the form of a song. Then in no time, just within a minute, it produces your biography, the form of a story or in the form of a song. Then, in this context, that is the strength of AI. In this context, you must remember that AI cannot understand your emotions. AI, whatever inputs you give, just whatever inputs you give, based on that only it can frame the story or song. But it cannot imagine anything at all. Whatever you don't submit, that it cannot imagine. So, whatever inputs you produce, Exactly based on that, it can frame either a story or a song. That limitation also you have to understand, and at the same time, you have to understand AI cannot understand your emotions, human emotions, and all that. It does not have any creativity at all. These points you have to understand and reach in your brain. And one more, finally, in this video only, I want to give you the roadmap to become industry ready through AI skills, but already it is lengthy. That's why a separate video I'm going to record and give you the perfect roadmap to build your industry readiness through AI skills.